Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to the power button on Redmi 14C. First, go to Settings, then go to Additional Settings, Gesture Shortcuts, Launch Digital Assistant, and now you can disable or enable it. When it's enabled and you press the power button for half a second, it will open the Google Assistant. When it's disabled, then pressing and holding on the power button will open the power menu. To open the power menu when digital assistant is assigned to the power button, you'll need to press on two buttons at once, power and volume up. So when this is enabled and I press on power and volume up, it still opens the power menu. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.